If you're watching this, it's likely because you're trying to grow or scale your print-on-demand business. Maybe you're feeling a little overwhelmed, a little stuck, or unsure about what actually works. Well, let me start by reassuring you that it's totally normal. Starting a POD business, or any business for that matter, is a lot of work. It requires a mix of skills from research, design, and SEO, and it's easy to feel like you're in way over your head. What makes it even harder is the noise out there. Most YouTubers talk about these crazy numbers and overnight success stories that seem super far-fetched. It's tough to know what's realistic and what's just hype. You're probably here because you're trying to cut through all the fluff and figure out what actually is achievable before you invest a huge amount of time, effort, and money into this. And I totally get it. I've been there too. I know how tricky it can be when there's so much conflicting advice out there. What works for one person might not work for another. That's why my channel is called Jay's Way and not the only way. It can be hard to know who to trust. But with over 20 years of professional graphic design under my belt, 12 years in the POD industry, and working with over 1,500 students over the years, and seeing how the game has evolved, one single thing has stayed constant. Design is everything. You can have all the SEO knowledge in the world, but if your designs aren't up to par, you're not going to get sales. Great design grabs attention, connects with your audience, and makes people want to buy. No amount of SEO expertise or keyword optimization can replace that. Now, I know it sounds simple, but let me break it down for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly what it takes to build a sustainable and profitable POD business and how my Inner Circle membership can help you get there. It's not just about creating designs. It's about creating designs that sell. And that's where most people get stuck. The truth is, success in POD isn't about flooding your shop with hundreds or even thousands of listings or chasing every trend you see on social media. It's about strategy, intentionality, and creating designs that resonate with your audience. You need to understand your niche, present your designs in a way that grabs attention, and avoid the trap of shiny object syndrome, jumping from one trend or product to the next without any clear focus. That's exactly why I created the Inner Circle membership. It's not just another course or program. It's a community and a roadmap designed to help you build a sustainable and profitable POD business. Whether you're a beginner or already scaling, the Inner Circle focuses on evergreen strategies, designs and niches that sell year-round, so you're not just chasing trends. It's about working smarter, not harder. So here's what you'll get inside the Inner Circle membership. First, weekly live calls. At least once a week, I host live training sessions focused on design, niche research, and mindset. And these calls are designed to help you sharpen your skills and stay on track. The cool thing is that in these design calls, I'm literally hands-on your designs, helping to make them into designs that will actually sell. Nobody else does this, and it's the meat and potatoes of the Inner Circle. Second is industry experts. So every month we bring in guest experts like Anthony from eRank, Janet from Paper and Spark, Hannah from Profit Tree, who will actually be joining us on February 26th. We've had Juna Duncan from Detour Shirts and Philip Anders, who also will both be joining us regularly for the rest of 2025 to share their insights on design, AI tools, and strategies. Pretty sweet, right? Next is step-by-step guidance. So whether you're just starting or scaling, the Inner Circle provides a clear path forward. We focus on evergreen strategies so you're building something sustainable and not just throwing spaghetti at the wall by the bucket load to see what sticks. And fourth is the community support. You'll be surrounded by like-minded entrepreneurs who are on the exact same journey as you. It's a place to share ideas, get feedback, celebrate wins, and stay motivated. It's truly the heart and soul of the Inner Circle and the most invaluable part. And separately, but also related, this is something I feel like I need to speak to as well. Someone recently asked in a POD Facebook group how realistic it is to expect to make $2,000 a month in profit inside of a year. The truth is that it's absolutely possible. But let's be clear, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, focus, and a willingness to get out of your own way and learn. So here's 4 things you need to succeed. First is research and design. Stop copying what's already out there in droves. Research to identify what's missing in the market and train your eye to understand what makes a good design. Composition, layout, and aesthetics all matter. People spend way too much time trying to perfect something or not enough time paying attention to the details that actually matter. The key is to be intentional and methodical about it. There's no luck involved here. Second is strong branding. People judge everything and everyone by first impressions. We do it all the time. But for some reason, when it comes to print on demand, POD sellers seem to forget this when it comes to their own shops and their designs. A brilliant idea or a well thought out design can be completely ruined by the wrong mock-up, poor color choices, or a presentation that's too dark, too zoomed out, or just plain ugly. You need to be intentional with everything. Your niche, your business name, your branding, the overall aesthetic of your shop, all of it. Next are the evergreen strategies. So instead of focusing on trends, focus on building a portfolio of designs that sell year-round. This is how you create a sustainable business. Chasing trends might give you that massive month here and there, but the next 2 or 3 months could be totally dead, and you'll be right back to wondering how you're going to pay your bills next month. Evergreen designs, on the other hand, keep your shop alive and profitable. And last up is smart pricing. So what I was talking about before is that many sellers price way too low, leaving money on the table. So here's some quick math. If your margins are only 10 to 20%, you'll need to make $10,000 to $20,000 in sales each and every month just to hit $2,000 in profit. But if your margins are 35 to 40%, you only need to make $5,000 to $5,700 in sales to hit that same $2,000 profit. That's a huge difference, right? This is why all those $10,000 or $15,000 a month clickbait videos you see should be taken with a grain of salt, or even a bucket of salt. Don't fall into the trap of pricing super low just to get sales momentum. That might work on Walmart, but not on Etsy or Shopify. It's a recipe for burnout, and it's just not necessary. Many of us even have margins well above 40% too. Now let's talk about Etsy and Amazon merch, or merch by Amazon as many of us still call it. If you're new to POD, these are the best places to start. Unlike Shopify, platforms like Etsy and Amazon handle a lot of the marketing for you, which means that you can focus on learning and improving your design skills. But even on these platforms, you need to stand out. That's where the Inner Circle membership comes in. We'll teach you how to create designs that sell and present them in a way that grabs attention. Because if we're being real, Etsy's algorithm or Amazon's marketplace won't save you if your designs don't connect with your buyers. The Inner Circle membership is designed to meet you where you are, whether you're just starting out or already scaling your business. Now, I don't want to overwhelm you, but I do like to over-deliver. So in addition to the live training and coaching calls mentioned above, for $47, you'll also get unlimited access to a growing hub of resources and trainings for the duration of your membership, proven and refined high-impact customer service scripts to keep your customers happy and coming back, and monthly trend reports that are put together by 3 of us to keep you ahead of the curve, Amazon and Etsy ads training to maximize your return on investment, Pinterest training to drive traffic and sales, even live co-working calls where you can be on or off camera to keep you motivated and on track. Because being a solopreneur can get lonely. And you'll also get my best-selling t-shirt layouts of all time and a lot of other goodies, deals, and freebies, including monthly prizes, because who doesn't love prizes? You can just check it out all on your own time in the link that I'll leave in the description and in the top comment, but this is the best bang for buck membership, period. With all this value packed into one membership, you'll have everything you need to succeed without the stress of having to piece it together on your own. If you're someone who loves to DIY and figure things out on your own, that's totally cool too. The free content on my YouTube channel and in my free Facebook group might be enough for you. But if you're ready to streamline your learning, avoid the mistakes that I've made over the last 12 years, and build a business that lasts, the Inner Circle membership is for you. It's not just about giving you the tools, it's about teaching you how to create designs that sell, helping you develop your unique style, and giving you the feedback and support you need to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Just remember that this is a business, so unlike a job, you won't start tomorrow and make $2,000 every other week. But unlike that same job, in 3 years from now, you also won't still be capped at that $2,000 every other week. Some people make over $20,000 of profit just in December alone. Most make $300,000 to $3,000. But you'll get out what you put in if you're doing the right kind of work that actually moves the needle. And that's exactly what the Inner Circle membership is designed to help you do. If you're ready to stop spinning your wheels, put the blinders on, and start building a business that's both profitable and sustainable, I'd love to see you inside the Inner Circle membership. You can click the link below to join the VIP waitlist and lock in your $47 a month forever, even when the price goes up to $67. If you're considering joining when we open on February 24th, drop a comment below and let me know. Or just ask if you have any questions. Whether you join the Inner Circle or not, my goal is still to help you succeed either way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.